So here's a 5th round right here. Front squats, 35% again today. These are pretty terrible. Nice, Jan, very strong. These guys are working the 4 range. You can get plenty of rest if you're only about 4 or 5. You'll probably get 40 seconds of rest or so. So they're on their max rep set here now. There's sort of an unwritten rule that we have that the goal here, the minimum reps that we want you to get is the same as whatever your progression number is. So Scott's progression number today is 4, that's his 35%. I want him to get at least 4. If he can do more, then that's great. The other thing is, well, I don't want you to have to dump it. That's good, Jan, go and rack it. I don't want you to have to dump it. I just want you to get the last one with good form. If you feel your form breaking, just rack it. As long as you're getting as long as you're basically at that rep right before failure, you're getting the same training adaptation as just going down and not being able to come back up with it. That's about right for Scott right there. Nice work, Scott, nice work. So on these LE cycles, or on this LE sessions in this cycle, where we're improving the LE assessment scores, on Monday and Wednesday, you're going to have this circuit right here. It says 4 rounds, 100-meter shuttle sprint at goal time, and then your rest interval is your goal time. So your rest equals your goal time as well. So it's a 1-to-1 working interval to a rest interval. Over here, here's how you're going to figure out your goal time. And it'll say this on the write-up, but I just want to take a second and show you how it'll actually work. You'll take your 300-meter time in seconds. So, for example, if your 300-meter time, Scott, what was your 300-meter time?
48 seconds.
No, your 300-meter time.
Oh, it's 81 seconds.
Okay, so his total time was 1:21, which is 81 seconds. So you take your 300-meter time in seconds, 81. You're going to multiply that number times 0.2904. This coefficient is important. We have a reason that it's 0.2904. Then you're going to get a goal time. In Scott's instance, his goal time was 24, so it's 24 seconds. That means that he's going to run 100 meters. Instead of at goal time, he's going to run a 100-meter shuttle sprint in 24 seconds. And then he's going to rest 24 seconds. Now that means that unless you finish at the exact same time as another athlete, then you're all going to have different times. That's okay. It'll work out as long as you have a little bit of space for people to run. You can still stagger times as well. So it still should be pretty efficient to run in the gym. The last thing that you want to do is figure your start times. Round 1, of course, your start time is going to be 0. It's always going to be 0. For Scott, since his start and rest interval are the same, he's going to start round 2 at 48 seconds. Then he's going to start round 3 at 1 minute 36 seconds on the clock that's running. And then his last one is going to be at 2:24. That way, if you have an odd time like 24 seconds, you can go ahead and know when you're going to start. Now, if you don't make this time, that just means that it cuts into your rest time. So you want to sprint to maximize your rest, because ideally you'll have a 1-to-1 working to rest interval here. So that's how the sprinting is going to work on Monday and Wednesday.